Doubleville.
Because you were just pouring it in and it had this thing.
What?
It's just...
No, it's something in the...
Well, let's let it sit overnight in case it... it's a little rubber thingy, but I think it belongs in there. That rubber thing you're feeling in there?
This thing right here?
No, there's a rubber, kind of like a mat in there. Can you feel that? Yeah, I think that belongs in there.
No, that does.
Yeah.
That's the ring thing.
Well, we can worry about it tomorrow.
No, there's like a standing water in there.
Oh, well, that's because it didn't cycle through. So we'll just let the water, the bubbles go down.
Puppy!
All right. Good night, kids. I just wanted to no, never.
Never put liquid dish soap in a dishwasher. Yeah.
How you do?
Yep, this is so, Lori's going to laugh at this one.